write a C program to swap two numbers, two given integers. Method number first. Now we are going to use two method to swap a given two numbers x and y. So if x and y are the given numbers, then we are using third variable, say temp. We are going to swap these two numbers. So first we store temp is equal to x, then x is equal to say y, and then y is equal to temp. By using this method we can swap two numbers. Suppose for x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5, then temp is equal to x. So it is 3, x is equal to y, so x is equal to 5, and then y is equal to temp, so y is equal to 3. So you can see here x is equal to 5 and y equal to 3. So if x is equal to, if we enter x is equal to 3, y equal to 5, then if we swap, after swapping these two numbers, we get output x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. This is first logic. Now in the second logic, we write here x is equal to x minus y, y is equal to x plus y, and then x is equal to y minus x. By using this logic, we can swap any two numbers. For example, here suppose for same x and y, suppose here we enter x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5, then x is equal to x minus y, that is 3 minus 5, so it is minus 2. Then in the first step. In the second step for y, it is x plus y, so x plus y, so current value of x is minus 2 and y is 5, so y is equal to 3. And in the third step, x is equal to y minus x, so it is what, y is what, 3, and x is minus 2, so minus minus become plus, and we get x is equal to 5. So you can observe here y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5. Take one more example for method number 2. For method number 2, suppose we are using here x is equal to, if x and y are the given numbers, a real number or integers, then x is equal to x minus y, y is equal to x plus y, and x is equal to y minus x. Suppose here we enter x is equal to say 5 and y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Then x is equal to x minus y, that is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then for this step, in this step we get x is equal to 3. Now in this step y is equal to x plus y, so current value of x is 3 and y is what, 2, so it is equal to, y is equal to 5. Now in this step x is equal to y minus, so y is 5 and x is equal to what, 3, so x is equal to what, 2. So y is equal to 5, x is equal to 2, so we get x is equal to 2 and y equal to 5. So if we enter x is equal to 5 and y equal to 2, we get output x is equal to 2 and y equal to 5. Now we want to use C program to swap these two integer or two numbers, say include std.h, then next include void main, next suppose first we use for integer, say integer x, y, and temporary variable, in printf enter the value of x, enter the value of x and y, say x and y, okay, or enter your first number and second number. You can also use first and second number. So I am using here x and y. Okay, sorry, x and y. Now I want to enter scanf %d say and x and y. Now next we are writing here temp is equal to x is equal to y, and then y is equal to, by using first method, y is equal to what? Temp. And after this, if we print, okay, print after swapping, after swapping ping, okay, x and say y is equal to %d space %d, or we can write here x is equal to, say x is equal to %d and y is equal to %d. We can also print the value of x and y before swapping. So x y before swapping, we can write here printf want to clear the previous screen also, okay, and then we are writing here before swapping or the values of x is equal to %d and y is equal to %d x y. So here we print before swapping and after swapping the value of x and y. So I am writing here one new line here, we are using two new lines, two errors. Printf. Now we want to close the main function, so get ch main function close. Okay, so now if we run, enter the value of x and y by using space, so we enter 3 and 5. So before swapping, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5, and you can see here after swapping the value of x is 5 and y is equal to 3. So by using this method number first, we swap the value of x and y. We can run one more time, say here, say 7 and 4. So before swapping the value of x is 7, y is 4. After swapping, it is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 7. Now next we are going to using method number 2, that is so for method number 2, include conio.h wide main. Now next wide main. Now integer x. Now here we are, without using temporary variable, we are going to swap these two numbers without using temporary variable. So clear the previous screen, then printf enter your values of, enter the value of x and y, enter x and y, or enter your first and second number. So scanf %d percent d and x and y. Okay, now next we want to print the value of x and y before swapping. So print, we want to print here the values of before, say new line, we are using here new line. So before swapping the values of x is equal to percent d and y is equal to percent d x and y, xy. Now up to swap, we use the logic x is equal to x minus y, then y is equal to x plus y, say here, and x is equal to y minus x. So so after swapping, printf values of, after swapping we are going to use new line. So after swapping, the values of x is equal to percent d and y is equal to percent d x y. Okay, now close the main function. Okay, so now if we compile, one error is there, expression syntax error. Here is the, delete this. No, 0 error. If we run this program, enter your x and y, say 3 and 5. So we enter x is equal to 3. You can see here, before swapping x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5. After swapping, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. One more times, if we take one more output, say x is equal to, say 9 and 4. So you can see here x is equal to 9, y is equal to 4, then x is equal to 4 and y equal to 9. You can use real number, that is floating point also. So instead of int, you can use here float. You can swap the two real number as well. So instead of percent d, you can write here percent f, here percent f, here also percent f. Yep. So now if we compile and if we run, say here 3.2 and 7.1. So before swapping it is 3.2 and 7.1, after swapping it is 7.1 and 3.2. Hope you understand this.